Buddhism talks about no killing, but why is vegetarian not a necessary part of practice? Because even if you're a vegetarian, it involves killing. As I found out that when you were in northeast Thailand, and actually were there at the beginning of the process of creating food, and to see just how many animals were killed just by ploughing the field to plant the rice. And just even vegetables, how many animals, insects, stuff actually just die just because for your durian which you eat. So basically that what you can't get out of it no matter what you eat. Every grain of rice you eat is a result of, contains some people's death. Or at least some sort of animal's death. Transporting it to the markets, sometimes they use pesticides as well. So we try and limit our killing as best we possibly can. And that's why the Buddha said, especially for the Sangha, that it's so difficult to do that as a monk or a nun, as I made many stories about that. So it's much more important to limit the killing. That's our goal, to limit it as little as possible. And at the same time, to make sure you make use of every grain of rice, or today every potato chip which you eat, to make sure you don't waste that food. You make best use out of it by keeping your precepts, being kind, being generous, being peaceful. The food comes with a cost. So remember, the Buddha actually said, if you're not a stream winner, that you don't really, that you're a debtor. He told this to the monks and nuns. Everyone who's not a stream winner, monks and nuns, you eat this food as a debtor. And you don't really deserve it. When it's given to you, you can pay back later. If you're a stream winner, you eat the food as part of your inheritance. But only if you're an arahant, you eat the country's own food as an owner of it. Very, very powerful teachings. It makes me really think sometimes.